Hey guys, this is Mitch again from sunny Florida. Another project I want to share with you. Here's a little micro-size FW 190 FW, Focke-Wulf 190. It has a 16-inch wingspan, weighs in about 30 grams with the battery. It's powered by a Sukhoi geared brush motor, and it has the Sukhoi receiver in it, and it works on 3 channels. There's my elevator and my rudder control, and of course my speed control. Now what's unique about this plane, it has a power module. I found that it's expensive. If you buy these little geared motor setups, they're about 12 bucks on eBay. The receivers run about 50 bucks, and I really like these receivers. However, they're not really long lasting. So I have 2 of them left, and I decided to design planes that I could interchange these power modules with. So if you take a look, now if I want to pull this out, I just pop it out, pull it forward, and it's all out. Okay, so now if I want to put it in another plane, here's a little glider I converted. Bought the glider off of eBay for $5.95 I think. And so now I want to stick that in there, hook up my linkages, get everything all hooked up. Let's see, am I right? Yeah, there you go. Now my battery actually feeds through the bottom, but I'm not going to do that now. Just show you how everything works. Close up the hatch. Okay, so now I'll do my controls. Everything's ready to go. And come back, motor control. Ready to go. So the plane's ready to fly. It only takes a couple seconds to change everything out. So let's talk about this power module. Pull it back out here. Okay, the whole key with this thing is magnets. I have magnetic linkages right here. And of course, I have a magnet. That's my mounting magnet for my board here. Now, how I made this, I used a piece of Dollar Tree foam board. I reinforced it with some 1mm carbon fiber rod that you can see right there. Then I coated the whole thing with 5-minute epoxy. Notice it's wedge shape. It has a wedge shape to it. And the reason for that is when you install it in the aircraft, and I'll show you the plane here, notice this is also wedge shaped in here. So this provides a natural lock for the motor. So when you're running the motor and it's pulling it forward, this wedge shape keeps it locked in place. If I would have made this straight, possible the motor could pull it out. So we don't want that to happen. So the wedge shape acts as a lock. Okay, so this whole thing, the motor, receiver, the board, prop and everything, weighs in about 14 grams, I think, 14 to 15 grams. Oh, another thing to show you right here. If you see this little string here between the 2 linkages, that string helps keep these from falling out. When you pull out the receiver, pull out the assembly here, these linkages had a problem of falling out, and I lost a couple of them. So that's what that little string is for. Doesn't interfere, just keeps them together so they can't fall out. Now on the aircraft, any of the aircraft you design with this type of idea, this is a little linkage keeper here, your push rod keeper. It keeps these from falling out. Now this is not the greatest design, but it works. Okay, so now I'm going to stick this back in here again and show you how easy it goes. Now look, hook up my linkages, place my receiver in, get it to lock in there good and tight. You'll hear it click. There you go, it's clicked in place. Now I'll just feed this back through, close up my hatch, and it's ready to fly again. So there's an idea that I wanted to share with you, and I hope you can use it. I would try it. You could save a lot of money. I mean, every time you build a plane, if you buy one of those receivers, 50 bucks, a motor, 12 bucks, that's 62 bucks. And these are just fun flyers. And if they crash, they get ruined, who cares? It only costs about $1 to make the plane. So I hope you can use that information, and good luck and good flying.